Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 10th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen. And we're starting on the daily time frame, working down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the euro yen, I mean, the trend is definitely your friend, and the trend has been up this whole time. We had a little bit of a break right here, but it definitely wasn't what I would consider a real break of structure because the most recent swing before it made a new swing high was way down here. So for me, this is the swing that will turn me into a seller and tell me this wave B is possibly over. Until we actually get a break to the downside, I am definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think this move up is best tuned to about the 30 to 1 hour time frame, 30-minute to 1 hour. So if we break structure to the downside on this time frame, or we get a significant lower high, then I definitely would at that point stop looking for longs and I would start looking for shorts again. But right now, the trend is definitely your friend, and I definitely am looking for longs until we get a break to the downside at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. And based on my Elliot wave count, this may not even break to the downside. It may actually go up and take out the previous highs. So definitely looking for longs on pullbacks on these shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.